coordinates of center and radius of a circle from the general equation. Okay. So, now general equation of a circle, we are writing it as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, or to this we can write it x minus g whole square plus y negative for negative of k, sorry it is f whole square is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c whole square. Let this be 2, this be 1. Okay. Now, comparing with standard equation, it was x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h comma k is coordinate of center and r is radius. We have already done this. Now, comparing with the standard equation, what we are getting? We are getting h is equal to negative of g and k is equal to negative of f. Is it clear? So, we are having now h as negative of g, k as negative of f and r as g square plus f square minus c. So, coordinates of center of, now we have written general equation. Can be expressed general equation is one, this one. So, the coordinates of the central general equation can be expressed as negative of half coefficient of x comma negative of half coefficient of y, one thing, and radius is equal to square root of negative of half coefficient of x whole square plus negative of half coefficient of y whole square negative of constant term. So, this is all about the relation. When an equation is given in this form, then how to find the radius and the coordinates of the center of the circle.